What are we doing today, guys?
Going to the dentist!
Woo!
These kids are overdue for a dentist appointment. I don't like to take them out of school for that. So last summer, I tried to call and schedule an appointment for them to go into the dentist just for a cleaning. And I think Holden has 1 or 2 cavities that need to be filled. But I was told that because of COVID restrictions, that no non-essential procedures were being done at that time, and cleanings and fillings are not essential. That lasted throughout the whole summer, and then they were back in school, and so I tried to set up an appointment when they got out for Christmas break, but I was told that the water wasn't clean, which surprised me. It wasn't even something that had ever crossed my mind that we could be turned away from the dentist because the water was unclean. But here in American Samoa, because of the heavy rains, sometimes the public water does get contaminated, and so ASPA has to come and I don't know what they do, get it clean again. And so they said they've got people working on it, and the earliest they could get us in was, like the second week of January. And so much for getting the kids in during a school break. We had to take them out of school today, which I think is worth it because now they are really overdue for a dentist appointment. And like I said, I'm pretty sure Holden has at least 1 cavity, but I think a couple cavities. And so for me, I feel like it is essential that I get the kids in so they can have this preventative care. So we're heading to the dentist right now. We're going to the dental clinic at LBJ Hospital. Things at the hospital can take a while. And so we have planned nothing else for today. This is what we're doing today, is we're going to the dentist. And if it goes faster than I'm thinking it might, then we've got some free time today. We might go down to the library. They each got some schoolwork to work on since they're missing a day so they don't fall behind. And so they'll have a chance to get that done there and maybe do some reading. I let them bring their devices, phones or tablets, to help pass time if we are sitting at the dentist's office for hours and hours, to help keep everybody distracted and happy so we don't get too bored there. So come along with us as we go check out the dental office at LBJ Hospital. This is ridiculous. We've been driving around the parking lot for almost 10 minutes now. They've got to figure out something with this parking here for the hospital. This time of day, it is virtually impossible. Like, you have to get lucky that somebody is leaving right at the exact moment that you're driving up, or else there is no chance of getting a parking spot. We're all just circling and circling. And there's not really any parking nearby either. But we are just going to head out and go find somewhere to park because this is ridiculous.
I agree. Should I drugstore?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
What?
This means like medicine. There's a line of cars to go back into where we just were. There's a line of cars parked along the fire lane where nobody should be parked, but I don't completely blame them because there's literally nowhere else to park. Okay guys, everybody get slippers on, grab your stuff, and let's go. Okay guys, now it's raining. Hi. Is it okay if we park there? We just have an appointment at the hospital and the parking lot is totally full. There's like 20 cars just like circling around and around. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's raining now, so let's hustle. And we're late now, so. Thank you. We've got a dental appointment. Oh, right here? Okay, thank you. Here we go.
Beautiful teeth. Yeah. Yes, no cavities.
Oh, great, kid.
Awesome. Very nice. Exactly. So we are going to go and take an X-ray. Your chin is going to go right here. These, I don't know if you heard of them. They're YouTubers. You know the AmSamFam? That's them. Give me your finger. Right here. So this is what it's going to feel like. See?
Okay.
Yeah, so it doesn't hurt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this and the paste for your tooth.
And then I'm going to use this straw to take the water out of your mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, so when you want to spit, you use that straw. You want to try? Let's do a practice run.
So don't actually spit.
Yeah. There.
There you go.
You got that?
Open.
Now open. There you go. Go. Wow. How cool is that? Sorry about that, buddy.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
So what did the dentist say? Any cavities?
No.
No? How are your teeth looking?
Good.
Let's see. Oh yeah, really good. Nice
No
job.
cavities.
Hey Hattie, you all ready for yours? Excited to see what the dentist has to say? Do you think you've got cavities or no?
Where's your mommy?
No? Alright, we'll see.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile. After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
Usually baby teeth are like mobile by now. But see, this one is on the right side.
yeah.
That's a baby tooth. That's the one with the cavities.
And it's about to, it's
Yeah.
loose already?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's mobile. Yeah.
So would you even fill that or just?
No. No, I wouldn't. Is
It's
it
about to fall out?
Yeah, it's about to fall out. Is it giving him any pain?
Not currently, I
No.
guess.
Yeah. I mean, it's not keeping
Wait,
him
is
up
it
at
the-
night, right? No.
Is it the one with the chipped tooth?
Yes, that's the one.
Probably
Yeah.
keep that one.
After a while, I'm sensing.
How was it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Did you see my skull?
Pretty cool to see all the stuff inside your mouth though.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
How was it, guys?
Good.
Yeah? Did it hurt?
No.
Was everybody super mean?
No. Yeah, they were awesome and really nice, and it tasted amazing.
Yeah.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below when the last time you brushed your teeth was. Hope it was soon. Brush your teeth every day and grow, grow, grow.
Open your lips.
Like
Open your
this.
lips. Nice.